How to generate videos on Leonardo AI. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and go to app.leonardo.ai and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll find your account on the left side of your screen. And then you're just going to have to head over to this video option down below. So this is the image option. What I'm going to do is go back and then go to video or motion. Once you click on it, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on start, click on next, and then tap on finish. So from here, you can enter a prompt to generate a video, but you could just go ahead and import an image and add motion to it. From here, you could select a video or a photo that you want to add motion to and click on generate video. Then click on start. And then from here, you could just go ahead and start generating video. But you are going to need premium for Motion 2.0. For the free version, it's going to cost you 200 credit points, as you can see, in order to generate a video. Now you can enter any kind of prompt you want and then click on generate. And if you have enough credit points, you will be able to generate the video from here. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. There's also an option to change motion control. So if you want crash zoom in, crane down, crane up, or dolly in, these kind of effects as well. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.